In this video, I'll show you how to join private server links on Roblox Mobile. Step 1. Copy the private server link. Open the private server invitation link. Copy the entire link to your clipboard. On most devices, press and hold the link and select Copy. Step 2. Open Roblox. Open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in with the correct account. Step 3. Paste the link in your browser. Open your mobile browser, for example Chrome or Safari, then paste the copied link into the browser's address bar and press on Go. Roblox will automatically open and redirect you to the private server. Now, there are a few common issues and fixes. If the link is not working, you need to ensure that the link is complete and correct. Can't join the server? Check if your account has the necessary permissions. Roblox app not opening? Update the app to the latest version. That's it. You've learned how to join private server links on Roblox Mobile. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. Good luck with gaming. Bye.